So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a table here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. And as you can tell, I have my document in front of me. Now, once you're done, I'll just go ahead and press on return a couple times. So I want to insert this table below the text right here. I go to the top left, right beside home, it says insert, press on that. Then sort of right below it to the right, it says table. And if we were to go ahead and press on the arrow right beside it here, you can go ahead and add a table, whatever dimensions you want. So if you're looking for a table that is 5 by 5, for instance, just like that, I'll go ahead and press on that. And once that is done, it actually inserts the table. So you can go ahead and type in whatever you want, 3, 4, 5, etc. Pretty straightforward. If you wanted to, delete the table, you can go ahead and do that. Go to insert, go to table, and then insert or draw a table yourself. Whatever the case may be, just like that. There you go. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to insert a table here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.